Hi, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vijeta, and today I will be discussing about my favorite period of English literature, which is the Romantic period. And let us begin. So, Romanticism is the name of a dominant movement in literature and other arts, particularly music and painting, in the period from 1798 to 1837. The main feature of this age is the importance of self expression and individual feeling. It emphasizes the truth of imagination rather than scientific truth. Shelley was an atheist, while Wordsworth was a pantheist, which means that God is in everything. That is the belief of pantheism. The German critic Friedrich Schlegel, I think there is a little typo, and Friedrich Schlegel is said to have been the first to use the term romantics for describing school of poets and writers opposed to the classics. Wordsworth is also known as a poet of nature. The Peterloo massacre took place on 16th August 1819 and it affected a lot of romantic poets. William Wordsworth's timeline is 1770 to 1850, one of the oldest people who lived. Yeah. He was a major English romantic poet who, along with S.T. Coleridge, helped to launch Romantic Age in English literature with their joint publication of Lyrical Ballads in 1798. Very important. Wordsworth's magnum opus is considered to be The Prelude, a semi autobiographical poem of his early years. It was posthumously titled and published, but before it was called The Poem to Coleridge. Lucas gave 11,396 definitions of Romanticism in The Decline and Fall of Romantic Ideal. Wordsworth, Wordsworth was second among the five children born to John Wordsworth and Anne Cookson on 7th April 1770 in Lake District. His sister, Dorothy Wordsworth, was also a poet and diarist. Wordsworth's father was a legal representative of James Lowther, 1st Earl of Lionsdale. Wordsworth made his debut as a writer in 1787 when he published a sonnet in the European magazine. He began attending St. John's College, Cambridge, and graduated in 1791. During a visit to revolutionary France, he fell in love with Annette Vallon, who later gave birth to their daughter, Caroline. He could not marry Annette due to financial constraints and returned to England. Later, he married Mary Hutchinson. He wrote a sonnet, It's a Beauteous Evening, calm and free, recalling a seaside walk with 9-year-old Caroline. The year 1793 saw the publication of poems by him in the collections An Evening Walk and Descriptive Sketches. In 1795, he met Coleridge. In 1798, Wordsworth and Coleridge together published Lyrical Ballads. None of the writers had the name on the first publication of Lyrical Ballads. In the first edition, which was in 1798, there was Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey and Coleridge's Rime of the Ancient Mariner. It starts with Mariner and ends with Tintern Abbey. The second edition was published in 1800 and it listed Wordsworth as an author and included a preface to the poem. In the preface, he has used real language of man rather than 18th century verse, which means Wordsworth was more into using simpler language rather than a very flourishing style. Between 1795 to 97, his only play came out, which is The Borders, a verse tragedy set during the reign of Henry III of England. He wrote a number of famous poems, including the Lucy poems. It is a collection of 5 poems. He wrote the Prelude when he was in Germany with Coleridge and Dorothy. Finally, Wordsworth, along with Robert Southey and Coleridge, settled in Lake District and thus were called Lake Poets. He planned to write a larger philosophical poem called The Recluse, so he wrote Poem to Coleridge to make an appendix of The Recluse. Poem to Coleridge is referred to as the first version of the Prelude completed in 1805. He has also written a shorter work, Lines Written Above Tintern Abbey. In 1807, Wordsworth published poems in 2 volumes, including Ode, Intimations of Immortality from Recollections of Early Childhood. Child is the father of man. In 1814, Wordsworth published The Excursion as the second of 3-part work of The Recluse. He did not complete the first and the second part ever in his life. He wrote a poetic prospectus to The Recluse. London, 1802, is addressed to Milton. In 1838, Wordsworth received an honorary doctorate in civil law. After the death of Southey in 1843, he became poet laureate. He became the only poet laureate to write no official verses. After death, he was buried at St. Oswald Church, Grasmark. His wife, Mary Hutchinson, published his lengthy autobiographical poem, The Prelude, after his death in 1850. The Prelude is also called Growth of Poet's Mind. Grasmere Journal is written by Dorothy Wordsworth. Browning called Wordsworth a lost leader. Wordsworth is called the giant of English poetry by J.C. Ransom. Wordsworth actually wrote 523 sonnets. In an 1817 review of Coleridge's Biographia Literaria, Francis Jeffrey coined the term Lake School of Poets, indicating or including Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Southey as lake poets. Some of his works are Strange Fits of Passion Have I Known, She Dwelt Among the Untrodden Ways, I Travelled Among Unknown Men, 3 Years She Grew in Sun and Shower, A Slumber Did My Spirits Heal, Lyrical Ballads, 1798, Lines Composed a Few Miles Above Tintern Abbey, Lyrical Ballads along with Preface to Lyrical Ballads, 1800. Lucy Gray, Lucy Poems or Solitude. It is a collection of 5 poems and poems in 2 volumes in 1802.